Chief Minister N.Biren today flagged off Amrit Kalash Yatra for New Delhi as part of observance of Meri Mati Mera Desh under the supervision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The flagged off ceremony, which took off from the CN Secretariat, was attended by Education Minister T.H. Bashanta Kumar, Sports Minister Govindas Konthaujam, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan and Transport Minister Kashim Vashum. The ceremony, which is being organized under the ideals of One India, will showcase the state of Manipur, which comprises 16 districts as a part of One India. 15 representatives are carrying the soil from every 16 districts, which will reach the national capital, New Delhi. During the occasion, Chief Minister N.Biren expressed that review will be made with regard to the law and order situation of the state, and consideration will be made whether to lift the ban on mobile internet or not.
India haibadu wakalon makada aikoigi Manipur ki district tara taruk dagi nahandagi koi lebak khomjan laga madugi lebak mayam do receipt tobugi function nama koi officially pangpokre madugi matungda ngasi si koi Manipur ki team mama mi tara mangana sabat team mama isalisa singyauna team mama aduguma bharat ki capital New Delhi da sigi hariba lebak district tara taruk dagi usalaga ek bharat strong bharat ma madugi da makta mere Mati Mera Desh Cybersecurity team Makada Ekogi Mute Kangu Tajabani, Masideda, Saliba, Salisa Singh, Official Singh, take the guidance showing Amdana. Delhi or Rega Dugumba, Apun Bharat Sakam, Sagat Pada, Saru Yaron, Mongol Pijari, Aduga Manipur Miami, Magade issue, Amadi Sarkar, Magade issue, Saliba Miam, the Yaka Pijari.